this thing rolled off the mountain. It crushed it in this corner here, and now it's got the quarter panel all bellied over here. So we're going to reverse that. We're going to put some pressure in here, and we're going to try to get some of that out of there so it'll relieve that big belly in that quarter panel, all right? And we're going to try to do it without removing any rust.
Right here. Now the door closes.
Now the door closes.
Which it didn't do earlier.
We're going the right way.
You got the quarter power.
Going the right way.
Great quarter power.
Right direction.
Patrick went to work on straightening the damaged right rear section of the body. As you can see, he is repairing the damage from the inside.
Good.
Hammering on the outside of the body is done with soft tools, so we don't ruin the natural weathered surface.
Are we going to dolly that back? Oh, you're going to do it right here. Perfect.
And you don't want to grind your rats. Don't grind your rats. It's against the wall.
See right here? Get a nice straight edge going on this. So you can pull this out. Let's replace this structure. So you can pull this out. Let's replace this structure.
The team installed bracing to keep the rear from sagging and went about squaring the car in preparation for the chop.
Well, unfortunately, these old bodies, especially with the rust, are just a little bit loose. So we're going to go ahead and finish up putting some reinforcements in this rear wheel well. Try to keep everything nice and square.
Is he right?
He's right.
I'm on your left, actually.
Oh, actually, he's on my left.
I'm left.
We got to get it pulled in. We get some decent gaps out of the doors. And then we'll weld some substructure. Cutting off this piece of wood.
This piece of wood has been there since 1926.
Yes.
It's 84 years old.
It is old.
Is it oak?
It could be oak. We'll know when we start to burn it.
I thought we were going to leave all the original wood in here.
No, not that one.
Not that one? Where are the rings? Can we see the rings? Huh? This line right here. This line right here, it looks like that was the year you were born. Am I correct? Huh?
Oh, sir.
That's a lot better. See? Makeup.
There you go.
Pancho, are you sure you want to be on national television with that silly ass hat?
Team leader decided to make a spontaneous design change. He does that.
It just don't work.
Absolutely.
That's not what you want in the end.
No, it's okay.
I'm thinking maybe if you braise it now, since you got it stitched something that just ain't gonna work.
We can clean it and make it look like it's a good weld.
You know,
Rick, the original process,
look,
Rick?
That ain't the thing. No.
Well, the original process was to weld it from the inside so that we weren't cleaning the material off from the outside, so you still had your patina, your natural rust finish. If we knock it from the outside, we have to clean it, and you're going to have a big shiny spot.
I think you can braise right over that.
We were going to avoid that as much as possible.
I think you can braise right over
it. With a torch.
I want it to look like candle wax
Let's
or
braise it.
something coming off. I'm not trying to knock nobody. I've got something here. You know what I mean, Harley?
Let's braise it.
Fill it and braise it, and then you can see it. That's all.
All right.
Make it ugly. You make it pretty. We have metal fusion with brazing rod. Igor style.
Get on the way.
What do you think? This'll see what I mean by ugly?
The brazing idea was to draw attention to the wounds, like a brass badge of honor.
Tried to get some of the damage off of the body. It's been rolled down a hill or something like that. So we squared all that up with hydraulics and got that squared away, and then started cutting the floor out so we can put the frame in that we're manufacturing. And then we'll tie everything together and get all the door gaps, and then we'll weld a parameter around the top of the roof.
We set out to do the build as cheap as possible. So far, we have spent $3,742 from our original budget of $5,000. We have $1,238 left. This is going to be interesting.